Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. First of all, I wish you all a happy new year. In this video, we are not going to program anything. Instead, I'll show you what my channel have achieved in 2022. So, talking about 2022, the first video I've uploaded in this year drawing heart shape using turtle module which got 160 views, and the last video is going to be this one, so let's not consider this one. Let's take the second last video, which is drawing Apple logo using turtle, which got around 40 views. Now the highest viewed video is how to send HTML emails using Python, which got around 2513 views. Now the total views I've got in 2022 are around 11,700, and total watch hours is around 306 hours, and total subscribers gained in 2022 are 102. Now let's see what is the progress. So total views I have earned in the whole lifetime of this channel are 12.4k views, and the watch hours are 338 hours, and the subscribers I've gained throughout the lifespan of this channel are 132. So if we compare views, if we keep the views I've earned in 2022 aside, I've only got 699 views in the whole lifetime. And if we talk about watch hours, leaving 2022, I've only earned 32.2 watch hours. Talking about subscribers, I've only earned 30 subscribers if you don't count the subscribers I've earned in 2022. I hope I'll earn more subscribers in 2023. I have uploaded a total of 26 videos in 2022, as you can see on the screen, and let's compare 2021 and 2022. Now in 2021 I have only uploaded 15 videos, whereas in 2022 I have uploaded 26. Now let's check the subscription status. Now in 2021, 36% of viewers subscribed to my channel and 67.5% viewers didn't subscribe to my channel, whereas in 2022 the subscribers percent has decreased to 4.5 and non-subscribers have increased. The percent of viewers who did not subscribe to my channel has increased to 95.5%, which means people enjoy watching my videos, but they don't subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my so that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share my channel's progress with you. I hope in 2023 I'll get more views and subscribers, and once again wishing you all a happy new year.